Okay, this is the Dell wireless keyboard and mouse. I have a problem with this mouse and I took a hard time to disassemble it, and that's the reason I decided to make this video, because I was unable to find any video that shows how to disassemble it. The model is let me see if you can see, this is a Brazilian keyboard, and the model here in Brazil is WK636p, but I think internationally is the KM632 or KM636, I don't know. Okay, so to disassemble this mouse, you have to take this cover apart. This is straightforward, and you clearly can see these 3 screws, so you have to take it out. Okay, but you are unable to lift this cover up, this plastic cover, so that's the problem. There is a hidden screw below this label inside the battery case, so you can use a razor like me to take this out. It's a little bit harder when the glue are live, I can say like that, and there are the remaining and hidden screw. So I'll take it out again. And now I am able to lift this cover. And take some caution about this middle pieces of the battery. I will press it down, and that's it. Now I have my mouse disassembled, and in my case I have my wheel are sleeping it, and I put a paper on it. So that's it. Thank you.